Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nutella croissants. Preheat oven to 200 degrees C and line a baking sheet. I walk you through folding laminated dough, cutting triangles, and adding the right amount of Nutella. I'll cover chilling times, proofing until puffy, and how to brush egg wash without deflating layers. You'll learn simple tips for even browning and a crisp, buttery texture that makes pastry shop results at home. Start with a smooth, slightly tacky dough and a cold butter block wrapped in parchment. Roll to a rectangle, then fold in classic turns to build layers. Chill between turns to relax gluten. Cut triangles with consistent bases to ensure even baking, then spread a thin line of Nutella on each triangle's base. Roll from base to tip, shaping a crescent, and chill briefly before proofing for best dimension and flakiness. Warm Nutella gently in a microwave for 5 to 8 seconds to loosen it, then spread a measured amount on the triangle base. Roll triangles tightly toward the tip, tucking and sealing the tip underneath to keep shape. Arrange croissants on the prepared sheet with space to expand, and chill briefly if butter softens. Brush gently with egg wash, avoiding pooling, to preserve layered definition and encourage even browning for glossy results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.